everybody, today I'm going to have an experiment and we just built, ta-da! Here's the play we need, and then we just add some battery here, and then if we turn on and then this one will fly, we will put in the wind and then this one will fly. Let's test it. Okay, open this, you open this one, like this, open, and then you just put it. Whoa! Oh my gosh! It's flying! I'm crying. It's flying very much. Wow, it's very nice. So actually, if you build this one and then you can follow me how to do it. So this one, so this ball. So first step, we will open this one, and then when this ball coming out, and then we will use this ball to put in the wind, and then it will fly by itself. Wow.